Okay, so for today's dish, we're going to make something that we call in Oman as Qalya. It is a dish that is traditional for us, and we usually have it during Eid to celebrate the coming of Eid, which is one of the religious holidays we um, celebrate as Muslims back in the Middle East and around the world. So for the ingredients, we are going to need at least 3-4 cloves of garlic. We are going to need a lemon. We are going to need a cucumber, some tomatoes, a white or yellow onion, some red onions, and a couple of potatoes. Now for our protein, we're going to use beef, most likely the beef for stew, or you can get a steak and whatever your favorite cut is, cut up into bite size. We're going to use basmati rice, and we're going to use these mixture of spices. I have some full-on spices and I have some grounded up spices. We have cloves, black peppercorns, cardamom, bay leaves, and a cinnamon stick. For the powdered ones, we're gonna do salt, black pepper, turmeric, red chili powder, and a mixture of cardamom, black pepper, and cinnamon, with a little bit of cumin and turmeric in there as well. انزين After prepping everything, we're gonna add our meat into our pot. We're gonna add in a handful of our thinly sliced onions and some of our garlic. Give it a nice shake. And then we are going to add in a bit of water. Just about half a cup, a little more than half a cup, to cover the bottom of the pot. No seasonings, no oils, just cover it for 20 minutes. We're gonna add our potatoes into the oven with our spice mix. And then our oiled pot. We're gonna add in our red onions to make our rice. Give it a nice stir. Add in our whole spices, a cinnamon stick, or cloves, or cardamom, bay leaves. We're gonna add in our garlic when it turns golden brown, and then we're gonna add in some salt, some pepper, and turmeric onto the onions and the whole spices and the garlic. Give it a nice generous mix. Next step, we're gonna add in our rice. This has been soaked in water, it has been rinsed. And then we are going to toast our rice for about 30 seconds to a minute before adding in our water. We just need enough water to cover up all that is in the pot. Around that amount. As soon as everything starts boiling, we are going to cover the lid and reduce the heat for 15 minutes to medium-low. We added our oil into our meat mixture after 20 minutes of it cooking. Give it a nice stir. After 10 minutes of that, we're gonna come in with a third of our spice mix. Just a little bit more than half of the amount. We're gonna save the rest for later. Give that a nice stir. Let it cook for another 10 minutes. We're going to serve everything since it's all ready now. Add in the rest of our spice mixture. We turn the heat off. When the meat's ready, we add a little bit of the mixture, and then we are going to be ready to plate. Have our veggies, our potatoes, our rice and meat. Here's a bonus recipe if you want to turn this into a sandwich. Just any of your favorite assorted veggies, some potatoes, a scoop of our meat, your favorite sauces. I went with hot sauce and mayo ketchup mixture. Whatever works for you. And then we're gonna finish it up and wrap it up. And now we have our final products. All that's left is to say Bismillah. Thank you for watching.